today it looks like we have something that's sort of a Lamborghini Vision Gran Turismo type of a car. Pretty wild looking thing. Caught my eye because it has all these kind of cool gold painted parts or gold molded parts and stuff in it. Should be a little bit of a tricky build. There are a lot more pieces in here than I figured and a lot more bags and so forth, but let's go ahead and peek inside and see what we have. All right, let's see. A couple of sticker sheets. Wow, that's a lot of stickers actually. Okay, good sized tires. Thankfully, these look like they're not undersized like that crazy Ferrari Formula One car thing that I had. And yeah, a whole bunch of bags. So I'm gonna have to get a bunch of bolts together and we'll go ahead and start building it out. Here's the instruction manual. Let's see how many steps we got here. Looks like, well, look at that sticker application. Whoa, 331 steps. This might take a little while. right, well, that's a pretty wild looking car, I gotta say. Pretty much, they went overboard on the stickers, I gotta say. But it's kind of a cool model, way more complicated and more steps than I thought it would be. And definitely the biggest car I've done so far. Here's my hand next to it, and I've got pretty big hands. So yeah, there you go. Some kind of crazy Lamborghini looking concept car thing, I think. Kind of weird build techniques here and there. Lots of panels and flaps and things. The back opens up as well, which is kind of cool. It actually has it has a real differential, and the wheels steer. This model, I believe, is available in what's called a dynamic version, which it has a radio control, like a motor and servo for the front and everything. So I don't know, pretty wild. So I hope you enjoyed this build. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one.